Boston South Station. This train just came in from Washington. You can see today's the blizzard day, the day after Christmas. See the way the ice is built up down the bottom. And don't know what train number it is. We'll find out. But interesting, Acela Express, and that's ready to go. I think that's a 3 o'clock train from Boston to Washington. Acela Express, and that's all prepped, ready to go. December 26th is here's the Amtrak Acela Express that goes out at 3:15. Right next to it is the 305, and this is the crowd of people. And in 2 hours, Amtrak pulls all its trains, and all the buses are already stopped, so everybody's trying to get home. And my guess is that there's going to be a lot of people spending the night at the train. Amtrak 165 to Washington in the storm, and right here coming in just a second on this track is train 162, which is 45 minutes late. So let's see what it's got for snow on it. But there's the regional, then right next to it is the Acela Express. But let's see what the buses up there. The buses are all stopped here in Boston. So here comes Acela. It should have a bunch of stuff on the front end of it. He's 45 minutes late. And let's see. When it goes that fast, it blows a lot of snow right off it. Snow under the undercarriage. So 45 minutes late. Tons of snow underneath. We're still in Boston. It's the day after Christmas. The big blizzard is here, and here comes Amtrak. Yeah, it's an Acela Express. Acela Express. Look, you can see there's absolutely no snow stuck on the front end of this train because of the speed that it deals with. But there is tons of snow at the rear wheels. See that? The way all that snow and ice build up on the wheels, and those wheels as well. So it's Acela Express. I guess it's 2250, and it's here from Washington to Boston.